I did it.
Look at him. Look at that one.
What is it about mushrooms that fascinates
Today is a going out in nature kind of day again. I think we're going to the lake, or we're gonna figure out where we're going. Hanging out with Nye, and yeah, I want to show you how to fit. We got Papa. Say hi to the camera. Hey, oh, you say hi to the camera. It's Papa. Okay, I got this shirt from the thrift, and yo, these are my favorite kind of pants. Like, I've always wanted pants like these. They're so comfortable. Yeah, I love them a lot. And we're gonna be taking pictures again today. And yeah, I got my Heart of Tafiti on again. Jade. Oh guys, okay. So y'all know how I had like 2 pairs? Bro, I put them both in my ear. Cause my ear is still like stretched enough. I couldn't decide between the 2, so I just put them both in my ear. And then I have this elephant necklace that I got from, I said necklace, elephant ring that I got from a store in Atlantic City. I think it's like it's a like boho type of hippie type of store. Like, I love that store. I always go there when I go to Atlantic City. Like, I feel like you would get these pants in the bag that I'm about to use from that store. And then I just got my crystal bracelets and wood from that store as well for like grounding. And oh yeah, I got this from there as well, another wood ring. And yeah, that's just the fit. Like, I'm gonna just be wearing some sandals on the feet. Right now we have socks on. I feel like all his fur is gonna be on my white shirt. Alright, sorry, actually,
Okay, I just brushed it. Okay.
yeah, so I'm gonna see y'all in the next clip. We're out doing nature things, nature girly things. The bag, the mother freaking bag. I got this from the thrift store. I just washed this yesterday. I'm about to pack it up, but wait. What? It's all stiff. What? We're gonna break it in. Yeah, she's cute, y'all. The elephants, oh my gosh, yo, like, I feel like I was meant to go to the thrift store that day. 2 days ago, I was meant to go. This and these pants, because these pants would be like $40, $45, and I got this for no more than 6. Ugh. All right, yeah. All right, I'm gonna see you on the next clip. We're done. This is the oil that I use for the day, my sun-kissed. That's why I'm feeling so vibrant. I use it on my body after I shower. Yeah, that's why I feel so like good. Well, I mean, there's other reasons why I feel good, but like, I feel like this just like enhanced my positive vibe. And the scent that I'm gonna be using on top of that is frankincense. Oh, I love frankincense. Just so soft. Now, officially, I'm gonna be out. We decided to go to a pond. I got food, and I already dogged it though. It was very much needed. I guess we're gonna have to walk that way. Look at these roots, guys. Like, you know how they say that, oh, every single tree is talking to each other, like they're all connected. Okay, Bug, I get it. You know, I know, like the confirmation. I get it. Back up. Damn, fucking harassing me over here, y'all. But what I was trying to say was like, this is proof of the connections that they share. Like, that is cool. Right there. So now like correlated to like, you see it? You don't like Shane now. He's so cute. When you and your friend on the same type of time. That's the angel oils. Stop these bugs from biting us and touching us.
don't want to kill him. It's your territory. Oh. Don't land on me, bro.
That's what I said. Yo, I said that in the last video. Where it's like, I like bugs from a distance. You don't gotta touch me though.
Shit you like from you?
Yep. This one is rosemary.
Keep the bugs away.
Oh, I think my frankincense drink.
I need to get some myrrh.
Woo.
I'm hot, y'all. Yeah. Who says that? Looks like there's yeah. You? No, not me. What is that lady's name from Cinderella story with Hilary Duff or something? And she's like, yeah.
Oh, it's in here. I didn't even take it out. All right.
Oi, oi.
Oi, oi. We're just over there, guys. Right there. We were trying to find this bridge and we had to drive all the way around just to find it. It's nice though. Well, we found it. We've been having here we go. Struggling to find this pond because there's no like direct. Oh, we found it. There's no direct way to go, so we just been like taking different paths, and now we're here. Now we're here at the pond. Boy. The stream. Putting our feet in the water. It's been a while since I've been to this stream, but I love how this mushroom always seems to prevail. That's it.
The thing, maybe it wasn't salad. No, it's rice. Oh! What happened? Oh my.
She's in Puerto Rico right now.
Oh, I said besides things, but she's in the program.
I don't think they bounce with these stuff, but they bounce like water. Clean? Clean? Yeah. Cause it's like, since there's so many stuff. I'm gonna be honest, I need to put some stuff on again because I almost died.
Did the camera get that?
Probably.
I got it with my own eye.
I had to rinse my babies. Oh, I gotta rinse this one. About to go back in there. But they're tearing me up in here. Some more rosemary on because they're tearing me up, and we put the essential oils a while ago because we were at a different place. Look at that. I mean, yeah, it's gonna happen, but damn, it just feels so itchy. So, back up. Oil. Back up. Back up. Guys, almost busted my ass with the camera in my hand. Hello? Please. There we go. Okay, we're coming over here so we can be in the stream, right? To take, this is so unstable. I'm not standing here. I'm gonna just stand right here. Yep, right here. Yep. We're in the stream to take photos. Oh, yeah, this is nice, y'all. This was needed. This was so needed. I'm glad that I did this constantly in there. God bless my ass in the car. Oh, I did it. It's giving, I don't know. Hold on, keep it. Ooh. I did it. Okay. Can I take some with this as well? So I'm on the hunt for mushrooms, and I think I found one. Look at him. Look at the mushroom and the dragonflies. Oh, they're gone. It's okay. A mushroom, and I think I see one down there too. You see that big white thing? We're gonna go over there. We're now live with Des, the fairy, the dreamer, and the forager. And we have found a mushroom. Almost found. Mushroom! I think the dragonflies want to be in it. Is that one right there? Am I tripping, guys? I think I might be tripping. There they are, yeah. We are now live with Dream the forager, and I have found 2 more mushrooms. Oh my gosh! Do you guys see that? Look at him. Look at that one. It's so pretty. One right next to him. I'm about to take some pictures with my camera. Oh man, so pretty. And then there's just like a plethora over here. Oh my gosh! It's like mushroom heaven over here. I'm about to take pictures with my camera. And over there. Bunch here. Got lucky. I wish I would have brought my foraging mushroom book so that I could at least identify these, but I don't know any of these mushrooms, like what they are. So I'm not touching them. I'm not getting too close just in case, but still happy to witness them. There's some more over here. Little tiny ones. Like, oh, look at them. They remind me of chanterelles, but I know that they're not chanterelles. wonder if there's frogs here. I guess there's frogs. We got knives. I tend to find mushrooms over in that area too, so we're gonna go check it out. Not seeing any. Might have been that tree right there, but a while ago, maybe last year, there were a whole bunch of jack-o'-lantern mushrooms. So beautiful. If I have a picture of that, I don't think I do, because I deleted all of my old photos and that's on my old phone, but it was so beautiful. Like, you would have thought that they were, I'm not gonna say chanterelles, because I know that jack-o'-lanterns are like the deadly version of another mushroom, and I think the other mushroom is chanterelles, but they look so gorgeous, and if you didn't know any better, you would think that they were edible and you'd end up dying. Real shit, y'all. Oh my god. No, yep, and they were over here. Oh my, y'all see this? Feels like a trap. No, just kidding. Nope, no mushrooms. Maybe during the fall. But we still found a good bit. Trying to figure out how to bust my ass while going down here. I'm gonna go that way. I love trees like that. They're my favorite. There. If you rewind it, you'll see him right there. It's a red robin. He like looked at me, like, I don't know, I guess he didn't hear me coming, but I was here and then he just turned to the side like, oh, and then flew away. Took him quite some time. We've got pokeberries. They're in full bloom. They're like that really bright purple color. Guys, at one point I want to take these so bad because of how pretty they are. See, look, natural selection is crazy. If intuition wasn't a thing, natural selection. But I looked it up to see if they were edible. These are poisonous. But I know the roots. Look it up, y'all, pokeberries. But I've heard that the root, like, you can eat the root and the stem, I believe. Not this purple part, like deeper down. And probably some of the leaves down there, but not the berries. The berries are poisonous to us, but I believe birds. Oh, and some other animals can eat them, just not us, but they're very pretty. And I remember when the beauty berries were like over there. Hopefully, no, they're not there, unfortunately. But soon they will be blooming again. Bro, I was trying to take a picture right here, right? Okay. And I just hear something fall. A freaking blue jay! He just like fell down here and then he just like flew back up and he's up there. Can you come down so I can see you? You wanna be in my vlog? You wanna be in the video? I want a picture. Another way to the street. know what's supposed to help. Little hanging in there. That one. I need to make it. The actual. What do you think about mushrooms? That's fascinating. You don't like mushrooms? Hi.
You literally should. Everybody else. Wait, I want the broom. Okay, hold on. I face down. We gotta. Unless it's the same one and he.
That could be the catch. That could
like,
be the catch.
break my ankles.
Nah, he's trying to break your ankles.
Yes.
Where was he coming from? Because he probably wanted to go there and he's just like, bro, like, I need to go here.
No, he was trying to go in the notebook and kind of snoop around.
Oh, he wanted to get to know you.
He wanted to come home. He was gonna be highly upset. We both would be nervous.
Oh, damn. We both?
I would have heard him crying in the corner right now.
You would have woke up like, what's that sound and seen nothing?
No, I probably wouldn't have, because I didn't hear anything. The same thing was tapping on the heater. Curtains move. Hear like the, like, I don't even have floorboards, but you sound like hear the footsteps
From upstairs or in your house?
in my room.
Oh, hell.
In the room that I'm in.
Oh, hell no. Are you like starting to like tap more into like the clear audience?
I guess so, and I'm happy. But, and I left my foot off the bed too. I said, wow, y'all can really like snatch me.
You're not gonna get snatched
But
up.
I dare y'all to.
I bet.
Have a rude awakening. I left my shit off the bed.
You really are the type to fight spirits.
Yes. Get the shit out then.
I might have to start being like that because it's getting to the point where it's like they want me to see some shit.
Yeah, like paint them down. Like, listen.
Back the fuck
All you
up.
gotta
Move the
do is
fuck
use
back.
your words, bro.
The point isn't for them to be helping me. I think the point is for me to be helping them. That's the issue.
Yeah.
That's the issue. But then you standing in the corner staring at me like that. How the fuck you expect me to help you and you looking at me like you got a problem with me? I guess that's when it's just the most quiet. The most still.
Like, yeah, all day, bro.
Yeah.
All day.
You're finally
We could've
sitting
had
your ass
tea, we
down.
could've had breakfast.
Yeah.
You wanna come when I'm being in my bed,
Yeah.
and expect me to wake up and figure out what the fuck is wrong with you?
Yeah.
No. I talked to that little girl. She never came back.
Who?
That little girl.
White girl?
The people on Instagram were saying she might have been Tinkerbell. Tinkerbell's origins is not.
You know what? That's probably where they got the Pac-Man sound from. You're right. I feel like I always end up my vlogs. I don't even know if I'm gonna do like a nature one or if this is gonna go in the August. Is this August though? Or the August vlog? But if it is in just the nature one where we're out here, instead of me doing it in that room, I'm gonna do it while I'm outside. Just see in the video. If you watched it this far, thank you. See you in the next one.